Hello, welcome to where we're at. Trishia, where we at?
We're here.
We're at Lola Ana's, and it's her birthday.
Oh, show it to Mama. Show it to Mama. The
Let me
flower.
see flower. Tapos si Lola Ana, birthday niya. Let's sing happy birthday, Trishi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Ana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, tita. Ang ganda nga, Mi. Oh, nag-reply siya. Magsak yung ano yung sabi niya, thank you.
Isang kandila, lagay mo dito.
Alay, hindi, wag na ito. Meron dito.
Iguanan ba natin yan?
Pwede naman sila maglakad dyan, Tia.
Ayaw niya.
Hindi na ito maganda. Tatapon na nga ito eh. Kinuha ko lang eh.
Akin na ako. Sindihan ni Leia yung kandila ni tita. Tachan! Si Mama.
Dahil isang baso, lagay mo dito.
Ako, pinara-piraso ni Taba yung bulaklak ko.
Yung malapad.
Ma!
Eh, may ano eh.
Pinira-piraso na.
May tawag dito rin na pwede kaya ito. May ano eh.
Uy, wag nyo nakawin yan. Di sa atin yan.
Yung mataba.
May basa
Di
eh.
sa atin yan, Ma. May tubig.
Hindi, kukunin.
Uy, uy, uy! No, no, no. You can't put that in fire. Come here.
May basa na. Mawag hindi sa atin. Basa nga, may tubig. Hindi
Hindi,
pwede.
tatapon nga.
Kinukuha ni Mama. Ililipat dito.
Para may design, kunyari. Oh.
Oy, Jongi.
Naku.
Po yung Loyola.
Nakupos na yung bulaklak ba?
Hey, no, 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 Bebe. You can't pull it out. Yes, I know. Kasi Taba eh.
Ito kay ano.
Ako namin.
Kaya na dito maganda.
Design. Here, Chongi, put some. Chongi, doon. Put some on Lola Ana's. Go ahead. Sprinkle it dito.
Ma, ako na lang. Ako
Ako
na
na.
lang.
Oh, thank you.
Ma, ako na lang. Dumi ng kamay mo.
Asan yung ano? Ako din. Naku! Chongi, Bebe, you can't pull it out. No, 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 no. You gotta leave it, okay? Tahon na lang pulutin mo. Maglinis ka.
Talaga itong batang to eh. Nakita ko nga, papunta na dun sa ano yan.
Sa tubig. Lalangoy na daw siya.
Wala siya mag-swimming.
Getting some Army Navy. First serving. Thanks, Daddy and Mama.
Careful, John. Baby, come here, baby. Yay.
Yes, thank you, me. Oh, no, Cherry.
No, no, no.
Talaga naman to.
Chongi, babe. Careful.
May maliit na kasi yan eh.
Careful, baby.
I'll just do 40 more seconds.
No, no. No, no, no. We're about to leave Chong's Mill so we can go have french fries. We'll go have french fries. Wait, stay here, Chong.
Okay. Come on, Chongi. We're gonna go eat some fries, baby.
And you want a cup?
Sure.
But
Okay, let's go. Kain ng fries with Lola. Yummy chunks? Hindi ako nakain. Kain lang, kain. Yum, yum.
Oh, nagmumukbang talaga siya. Ano, ako talaga mukbangers.
Oo, pang mukbang to. Itong isa pang kain lang sometimes. Ayun naman daw, si Taba.
Is traffic light because of the work day or?
Oo. Talaga naman.
Hindi kumakain.
Seems like it's not as busy.
Yummy? What about you, Shishi?
Rush hour.
She don't want anymore.
The trucks will be coming out.
No work one.
My tooth's good.
Kain tayo, guys. Kutsinta with nyog. Pakain si Taba. Chongi. Chongi, try that, bebe. It's sticky.
Kumain na.
Siyempre, kakain yan. Yan, Papa. Yummy? Chongi, nam-nam?
Thumbs up.
Yummy?
Wait the wait.
Let me see. We just have your fruit left.
Mary, kakain na. You want to try some? I'll give you a bite.
Chew first, okay? We'll eat your fruit.
This is my meds. I'm not at the
Grabe,
meds. You
tingnan
did
niyo.
not feed me.
Shucks. May ba kaya ako
Okay,
ngayon
after
vlog
her.
saglit?
Here, I got you. Oh, sorry.
Shishi, ready? Ready, Shishi? Here, bebe.
Maybe this is what I'm thinking of.
But kutsinta? This is a different kutsinta because we
No,
have like a
I'm
plate.
good.
It's good, sweetie.
Naku,
Look.
hindi ako makain ng mochi kaya hindi yan kakain ito.
Gulaman.
Parang hindi maganda.
Here, bebe.
I gotta tell her to be
Bebe,
nice.
it's good.
She
No, she like was pulling away, and
just
Good.
she doesn't know.
I know.
Why are you pointing it at me?
Oh, cause I'm just waiting.
Okay, here. Ready, Shishi?
Good. Oh, yeah, sarap.
Did you say thank you to Lola for fixing your hair?
Salamat,
Salamat
teka
daw.
muna. Oh, drink muna bago ka manong yan. Baka nga. Then, cheers tayong dalawa. Cheers, ha? Okay, cheers muna tayo.
Cheers,
Cheers.
three.
Okay.
Let me know if you like it, okay? It's got coconut and the kutsinta. Yummy?
Should I stop it?
Yes.
I'm pointing it up here because I don't want to accidentally get too. Watch out for Sushi's ice cream cone.
Nag-ready na po sila mag-swimming. Just waiting.
Which ice cream, huh?
Your shirt. Your swimsuit. Oh!
What does the fox say?
Din, 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 din. What does the fox say?
Oh, Chungy now.
Oh! What does the
There's no
fox
way we're
say?
gonna be able to bring this with us. I want to.
You can put it in a box. Like how we did it. Right?
Did he keep him or did he throw him?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask.
Pardon me or the baby?
The baby. But you're in the frame.
Right. Baby. Careful, Charles. Dada wants to close his eyes. Huh? You go see mommy with it. Hi. Hold on. You put your leg down.
My comb brush.
Oh gosh.
You can. I'm curious how long.
Yeah, I know it's getting kind of late. What time is it?
I'm gonna go check on them.
Hindi sila nagiging
You stay here, bebe. Like 3:40, 30? 3:40?
Yeah, okay, it's not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. Kamusta daw? Malapit na? Wow, ang laki ng pula. Parang sakto na to kasi kay Taba. Ilalagyan pa na mainit to eh. Hindi okay na kaya to kasi si Taba.
Mababaw masyado yan.
Mababaw? Ang cute naman. Di paano yung tubig na mainit? Oh? Nasaan? Di pa tingin? Nagbablog kasi ako eh. Yes. Ito po ang likuran ng bahay namin. Ha?
Ilalaba ko yung mga talampakan namin kasi natutumi kasi di yan mawawala sa ano. Anak, bibili na kami ng daddy mo at papapalit na kami ng ano ha.
Mainit nito.
Oh? Gano'n ka? Oo nga, parang umuusok ah. Nakakatakot hindi ah.
Kailangan aalisin mo siya muna bago mo i-unplug. Tapos pag lapat mo, i-plug mo muna tapos saka mo ibaba.
Bakit pagbaliktad ang nangyari?
Parang nagkakaroon ng electric sa...
Nakakatakot naman yan. Hindi, umuusok yun. Di ah. Ingat kayo. Okay. Ay, nakita yung panty niya, mi. Sorry. Lemon cakes. Saan hindi? Sabi ni 30, mamaya na lang gabi para makita niyo mga apo niya mag-swimming.
Paano ibabalik ko? Hindi ko na ibabalik.
Tsaka, wag namin naman. Sandaan lang eh. Ay, naku, wag na. Basta wag na kayong umalis. Okay, Mi, halika na. Ang init pala noon pa. Yung tubig, kumukulo. Sige, tawagin ko na sila. Paano itong tubig na malamig? Papatay na ba to? Kunin ko na yung mga apo nyo. Parang okay na kaya to pa. Kasi para makahiga-higa rin si Tuti. Humihiga-higa sa tubig. Kunin ko na. Kunin ko na. Babies, you guys ready? Yeah. Okay. Sushi first. Ang laki, ang ganda. You gotta hold the vlog for me though, okay? Oh wait, actually, you know what? Come on.
Malaki rin ang tubig na lalagay doon.
Sakto na. Andun na. Ready na.
Marami na. Sila yan, asan?
Andun sa labas.
Can I open?
Hang on. Oo.
Asan si Leia?
Nasa labas. Nagkukuskos. Freddy, we gotta take off Chungy's, Huh? Alin?
Tuti, make sure that you will not bump your hair.
Don't bounce, okay? Because the floor is hard.
It's hard, look.
How's that?
It's good.
You like it?
Ang dami ilalaman dyan.
Oh, it came off from there. We're gonna take off her.
Hindi ba maalamig?
This came out.
Wala naman siya sinabi. Mi, hawakan yung... Ay, basa pala.
Leia,
Pwede ba tanggalan
yung
tayo
sa
per si
inyong
Taba?
ganyan, dinadala mo na. Yan ba yan?
Oh, it's okay lang.
Yan ba yung... Yan ba yung atin?
Do you like it?
I don't know how we're gonna get it out.
It's a little cold.
We'll have to take off her entire.
Mimi said she can take it off.
Swimming. Dodi.
Pull it all the way up, bebe, so you can wear it. Pull it up, yep. Then you can sit down. Okay, use that one.
You might have to set her in there and then.
In the table. Para, in the...
Okay, and then you can lay down with it, Shishi. Higa ka, higa. You can lay down.
Inalis na, hindi nilalagyan ng tubig. Ganyan na lang.
Oh, don't jump ha. You sakay kayo dito. You ride in the floater.
Hindi ganun kalalim para sumakay si Lemmy.
Kaya nga sabi ko dagdagan.
Eh, hindi iinit yung tubig, Mi. Hindi init yung tubig.
Bakit hindi? Lalagyan pa ng daddy mo ng mainit.
Ha?
Lalagyan pa ng daddy mo ng mainit.
Is it warm?
Not yet. Kayo, sige. Paano?
Mainit pala. Konti.
Kailan? Ngayon?
Oh, kasi hindi sila makakasakay sa floater.
Leave him in there, baby. Go ahead, leave it in there.
Hmm?
Kasimang. Kakayamot.
You close the door, right?
Yeah. He's over here, me.
Don't jump, ha?
Don't throw it out. Leave it in there, baby. Leave it in there, chunks.
I'm to try this one. You can use the airplane. This one.
Can you stay here?
I thought about going back in.
Okay. Do you mind just holding this for a sec? I'll be back.
Go ahead, leave it inside, baby. You like it, Tishy?
Diyan ka sa makain eh.
You can try this.
Pasok niya taan mo. Yan. Taas mo. Halika.
You sit. Sit.
Halika. Huwag ka mo.
And did you want to use this one? Or this one? I want this one.
Why'd you ask her if which one she wanted and then you took it from her?
Halika. Halika.
I don't understand.
Halika.
This one, you can use this one instead.
Isunod mo.
And you use this one. And you can use this one instead. How about that? Okay, Chunky. Let's swim. Let's ride this one. You should ride it.
Getting eaten alive by flies and mosquitoes. They're gonna add more water to it.
Mimi wanted to, so they can use the floater. But
We should just take them to like a water park here in the Philippines. Is there one?
not anywhere close that's nice.
Just like Emerald City.
Mm-hmm. Whee! Ayan na, di. Whee! Go on.
Mababa yung water to.
Enjoy life.
Oh, careful.
Mahirap gamitin yung floater kasi dapat malalim talaga. Kasi tinan nyo.
Suot. Suot mo.
Sino?
Suot mo paa mo.
Mahirap, di. Pwede naman silang umupat sa
Mali.
higa.
Sit down on this. Sit down. Okay, sit down. And then you sit down.
Gusto nyo ba dagdagan, di?
Sige. Dapat tayo mo sila.
Sige, tignan ko.
Tuwid mo paa mo.
Pabukas pa ito. Kung pwede dito, bukas pa.
Konti kasi tubig eh. Bakit binalisan ka agad?
Eh, kasi baka ano eh, ma. Pag kita ba?
Ha?
Kita ba? Ah! Ah! Nambabasa, ma. Ah! Oh, yan na. There's the water!
Ay, ganun. Bad.
ito i-drain? Di tatapon lang? Ah. Whee!
I'm liking this one.
Whee! Ha? Oo nga eh pa.
Halika, susuot natin. Ayan.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ito ba ano? Talagang ganyan lang.
Mm-mm.
Meron ganyan.
Natanggal eh. Ah!
Mommy, look.
Wow!
Tulang kasi tubig eh.
Beep, 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 beep. Oh, smile muna kayo. Big smile. Changi, look at mama. Changs. Si Taba, hagis ng tubig eh. Changi, look at mama.
Lilia, ito yung kay maliit.
Oh, babe, try not to splash water on the ground, huh? Just play in there.
Napang mainit. Oh.
Wee! Oh! Do it in the middle. Changi, dito kayo sa gitna, sushi, bebe.
Andali na, papalik ako ng nilabang. Babayaran ko nilabang balik ang media.
My tongue is not sharing.
Ni, may isa pa ba kayong tabo o timba?
Diba? Meron pa yata yun.
Pwede ba makahiram? Si Tuti kasi gusto nila.
Whoa!
It's not working,
I
sushi.
think I can try to fix it.
Changi, dito sa gitna, bebe. Eee! Whee! Hi! Oh, you stay here. Didi's gonna pour in like hot water. Yay! Mix, 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 mix. It's warm. Sushi, watch out, bebe. That's hot. Oh, halo, halo. Mix the water.
Binibuhos na niya sa kanya.
Whee!
Binibuhos na niya.
Whee! Sushi, you like your floaty?
Hey! Dapat dyan, mga kulang-kulang hindi makalinis yung nini.
Sushi, little cup, bebe. Woo! Meron pala yung busina. Pipop, pipop, pipop. Pipop, pipop. Ay!
Magaling na yung kanyang noo.
Bakit, ma? Magaling na?
Maliit na.
Wala na yata, ino, ma.
Meron pa, konti na lang.
Buti na lang, wala na, ano?
Konti na lang.
Sushi, you peeing? You peeing?
Siya may isa.
You like your pool?
Wag, may laman yan. Tumutulo yan.
Baka hindi na umahon to pa. Ma, hindi naaahon.
Ha?
Hindi naaahon yan.
Kaya nga eh.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Inilaguan sa Google ko.
Maputi, Ima. Malinis.
Oo. Yung paan niya, hindi malinis.
Whee! Side to side, side to side, hands up. Woo! Shower! Daddy. Sit. Nice. High five. High five. High five, Chishi. Yeah. Tayo lang sila nasapsap. Tapos na mag-swimming. There's Mimi and Chishi. Tinatapos ko lang.
Hi. Hi, vlog. Hi, guys.
Chishi, say hi with your cute pants. Did you enjoy swimming?
My butterfly is here. Shout out to Tito. Ito nanonood yun eh.
Okay. We'll see you again tomorrow.
We'll see you again tomorrow.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And Don John